We've got some makeup here, we've got a Deekshita hair and some questions that y'all sent me, so let's do a Q&A. So welcome to a makeup plus Q&A sesh after so long. Now let me show you how I like to apply my concealer and then we'll move on to the first question. So I like to take some of the product and apply it on my inner corner and my outer corner. So I like to do this, then I apply it around my nose and around my lip area because I feel there is a little bit of more pigmentation in that particular part. So while I'm blending this, let me answer my first question. So the first question is, who are my favorite YouTubers? Okay, let's start with the American lifestyle YouTuber category because that is like the first kind of content that I was consuming and I am still consuming to this date. So some of my favorites are definitely Alisha Marie. I love her videos and I learned so much from her videos, especially all her videos where she explains the business side of YouTube and her business basically. I really like that. Then I really like Lauren's video, Lord DIY. I don't like her DIYs, I'm not into DIYs, but I really like her vlog channel. Then there's Remy, Miss Remy Ashton. Again, I love her vlogs. I really like Ashley, Nicole. I like Jen Im. And who else? Oh, I really like Ashley from Best Dressed. Oh my gosh, she's definitely one of my favorite YouTubers ever. Then there is one of my favorite YouTubers for the YouTube related content is Catherine Manning. Now I started watching her when I just started YouTube. So in 2019 I watched her a lot because I was just starting YouTube. I wanted to learn about the algorithm and the business side, the back end side of YouTube. In the Indian YouTube scenario, obviously I have a bunch of favorites here. I watch so many creators. There's Prerna Chhabra. I love that woman. I think she's so graceful. So she's there. There's Aditi from That Koki Miss. I think she's a very genuine creator. There's Mridul. Gopali, I really like watching Gopali's videos, like something very different from the type of content that I usually consume. I think that is the reason I like her, because she's like this breath of fresh air and she's so wholesome. Like I really like how wholesome her channel is. I told you it's gonna be a long list. I'm pretty sure I'm missing some more creators. Like I watch a lot of people. Oh yes, one of my favorite Indian content creators or a content creator channel or a YouTube channel, what am I saying, is Ronnie and Bati. They make travel content and damn, no one in India is doing travel content like they are. Their production value, it's like an experience in itself. Now the second question is, where am I from? So people often confuse that I am from Delhi because I've gotten some questions asking me where I live in Delhi, like in which part of Delhi. So guys, I am not from Delhi. I am from Haldwani, which is a city in Uttarakhand. So basically I'm from Uttarakhand. Hi guys, if anyone out there is from Uttarakhand, please tell me in the comments. I would love to know. Also mention where in Uttarakhand are you from. Now someone asked me, why don't you make styling videos? I don't know, like I don't know how you got that impression, because well, we bond over fashion and styling in this channel. Fashion and styling is the core of my channel. That is the kind of content that I personally enjoy making the most. Now maybe you're new, because this question was sent to me on Instagram, so maybe you're new to our community. Now on my Instagram I do make a little bit of content like reels and stuff, but I've started to make more content on my Instagram. So guys, please मुझे वहाँ पे follow करो. I think that would motivate me to make more content. Now if you're talking about my YouTube, I do make a lot of content. Please explore my page क्योंकि मैं बहुत styling videos बनाती हूँ. Like I make styling videos. I also like to make a lot of like these fashion informative kind of videos. So you can check out all the playlists. I'll mention them in the description. Another question is, what was your first paycheck? So my first paycheck actually was from YouTube itself. So YouTube was like my first main working experience and I got my first paycheck last year October पे शायद मैंने लिया था, and it was for $180 if I remember correctly. There was 4 months का YouTube income. Please watch the ads because it's only the ads from which we make money. So yeah, don't skip ad guys, please. Now someone asked me, was it difficult to convince my parents to start YouTube, like start my own channel? I mean, if you're thinking of doing something so unconventional, so out of the box, obviously no one in my family was a YouTuber. No one around us had a lot of knowledge about it. It was a little difficult, but see, first of all, it was my decision to start YouTube. So I told them, we had like a nice talk about it, and I will say that they reacted very maturely about it. They did not overreact. They did not blatantly say no. They did support me so much. It was difficult, but then ठीक है, मतलब if you think of doing something that unconventional, which especially in Indian society थोड़ा सा difficult होगा यार, मतलब you'll have to like talk about it. You might have a few arguments here and there, ये सब चीज़ें होंगी, but then you have to stay true to your ground. You have to show them that you are ready to work for it, and you have to show that you are doing all the hard work. So whatever I used to learn, I used to go and talk to my parents about it. Like I used to tell them, I keep them involved in it, and I think that really helped, because by that they practically saw that I was serious about it. I was doing something substantial about it. I'm not just about the talk. I think this is the biggest advice that I'll give to someone who is thinking of doing something very unconventional. It can be YouTube, it can be something else, and you need to convince your parents. Involve them in the entire process. Whenever you learn something new, teach them also. कुछ भी आप सीख रहे हो उनको बताओ. Tell them, like I used to tell them कि कैसे YouTube से, you know, like how do you get monetized. I used to talk to them, talk to my parents about everything. Also, lastly, you need to remember that at the end of the day, it is your life and it is your decision to make. Quickly did my brows off camera, and brows make like the biggest difference on your face. Now let's move on to the next question, which is, this is a very fun one. So someone asked me, what is the one item in my closet which everyone should have? Now, should I play it safe and say stuff like a white shirt or a black t-shirt or something like that? Okay, no, I don't want to play it safe. So I think the one item on my closet, like especially the clothing wise, like kapड़ों के मामले में, I think would be the urbanic dress, like the leopard print urbanic dress. If you remember, I'll pop in a picture here if you don't remember, or if you're new to the channel. But there's this dress that I got from Urbanic. I think that the cut and the silhouette of the dress is so good. It will look flattering on any body type. Anyone can pull it off. It can be played around with in so many ways. मैं उसको घर पे भी पहन लेती हूँ. I like to wear it to, like if I'm going out for lunch or to cafes, या फिर मैं shopping जा रही हूँ, मतलब बस हर चीज़ें पहन लेती हूँ. And it is such a good piece, and yes, that is I think one piece people would love having in their closet. Now our base is done, and we'll move on to the eyes. For eyes, as I said before, it's like a very neutral, smoky kind of look, and I like to use this palette from Sugar and this palette from Maybelline. So let's start. So first of all, I'll take this like very pale, like skin color almost shade, and I'll apply this all over my crease. This acts as a really nice base for the remaining product. Now I'll start with this really nice light brown shade and apply it on my crease, like all over my crease, from the start, like from the inner corner to the outer corner, and थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे center पे भी, like basically apply it all over your lid as well as define your crease with it. Now I'll use a smaller, thinner brush. I'll take this dark brown shade. All of these are very cool tone shades. I'll just like apply it on the outer corner and blend, blend, blend. So the next question is, what is the best advice that you've ever heard? Like I got a couple of questions like these, like what is the best advice that you would like to give someone, or you've ever heard, or what's your perspective on life? And I would like to club all of these together and give out one advice to myself and to everyone who's listening this video, is to live in the present. I think that is the simplest, the easiest advice that I could give to myself and to like y'all. I think it's a very good advice, and something we forget quite often, that it's the present that we have. Don't let your past or your future take control of your present self, because let's be real here, the present is all we have. When we realize this, I think half of our troubles are solved. And yes, you tell me in the comments, what is the one best advice that you've ever heard, or you would like to give me or to anyone who's seeing your comments. Finally, I like to take this really nice shimmery shade, and I just take it my finger and apply it all over the lid, like a little bit, just to add thoda sa shimmer to my lid. Look at the difference that the shimmer is making. Like, this is my eye without the shimmer, and this one has some shimmer on it, and I think like it really completes the look. And I'll apply the same shade on the inner corners of my eye as well. No eye look of mine is completed without an inner corner highlight. It just is not. Again, I'll take the same shade in a tapered brush and I'll apply it on the lower lash line, just to complete the look, give it a very cohesive feel. And you can go ahead, apply a kajal, ya fir like a black kajal, brown kajal, or like white kajal. I think do a white kajal today. Now your eye look is not completed without a mascara, so I like to use this combination. I think I've shown you in a vlog before. And the eyes are done. I've applied a good coat of mascara, like a couple of good coats of mascara, and it looks so good. Now let's answer a few questions because we are delaying on the question. Now I've addressed this question again in the past, but I'll answer it for you again because मुझे काफी questions मिले related to my qualifications. What have I done? What am I currently doing? Is YouTube my full-time thing? So yes, I'm doing YouTube full-time right now, and my qualifications are I have done engineering. So मैं engineering graduate हूँ in computer science. Anyone fellow engineers out there? Tell me in the comments. The next question is, hey Vikshita, I hope you're doing well and taking care of yourself. I am. I hope you all are too. My question is, do you want to pursue any course on fashion? Oh, that is a good question. I always wanted to do a course on styling, but I don't know. अभी तो ऐसा मुझे नहीं लगता कि I want to do it anymore. But then I always believe in never say never. So maybe someday, but not right now. And do you want to consider any further career options other than YouTube? Girl, you're making me think. Other than YouTube. Yeah, see, YouTube obviously is not everlasting. Well, I hope it does because I love making videos. That is a little impractical to think because ऐसे platforms आते हैं जाते हैं. So I don't know. Obviously, YouTube is not everlasting. So I do need to think of other options. But ऐसे conventional job में I don't think I would like to go to a conventional job. It's just not for me. I want to build like a business for myself, like an entire brand around myself. I definitely want to do some sort of merch in future. Maybe like, I'm just telling these things off the top of my head. There's obviously no plans right now, but I always believe in dreaming big, and I have big ass dreams for myself. So I do want to do like a clothing line or something of my own, a brand of my own, maybe some sort of like clothing, I don't know, like maybe a clothing brand. Like, let's put it out there in the universe. Now the next question is from Soumya. She's asking, which is your favorite cuisine? I love me some good Chinese. Now obviously the Indianized version of Chinese that we have here. I love my typical North Indian food like Punjabi food, Mughlai food, and my own Pahadi food. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है पहाड़ी खाना. Next is one thing in your wardrobe. I think I've already answered that. So let me just put this lipstick first. This one is my favorite lipstick. Is this one from Maybelline. It's the Nude Nuance. I love it. I recommend this to everyone. And the makeup look is completed, but the video is not done yet. Let me answer the final question. Oh, there are two questions actually I want to take. Before answering the question, I want to put forward this thing that I am not clinically diagnosed with any mental health problem. And if you are like seriously facing something, don't listen to me. Don't listen to anyone on the internet. Go visit a therapist or a psychiatrist, someone with a valid degree. Only they can help you. I can't. I'm just talking about my mental health thoda sa. First of all, journaling really helps me. Now I don't do journaling बहुत regularly. Like I have started doing it regularly since a couple of weeks now, but उससे पहले like I used to do it here and there whenever I used to feel very overwhelmed या फिर मुझे सब लगता था कि there are 1000 thoughts going on in my mind. I would just take my journal or a piece of paper, write down all those thoughts, and that really helps me in declutter my mind. And the second thing, the main thing that I do is I meditate. Like I try to do it regularly. बीच में miss हो जाता है. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not that perfect at it, but I do want to get better at it. Now the final question is, how much time it took to get 1000 subscribers on YouTube, and how do you feel motivated to work? Now for YouTube, I think it took me roughly 1 year 2 months or 1 year, 3 months. Like it took a long time for me to hit 1000 subscribers. And well, regarding the second part of your question, which is how do you feel motivated, well, let's talk about that. First of all, obviously y'all, तुम्हारा जो response आता है, जो comments आते हैं, वो तो बहुत help करते हैं for me to stay motivated. Your DMs, dude, your DMs are the best, and that all really helped me in staying motivated. But uske alawa, I think my discipline right now really helps me in uploading content, because with motivation you'll maybe take the first step for doing anything, but it is your discipline because of which you'll like keep on walking that path. Always remember that. The third thing that I want to talk about, this is getting like a very mismatched answer. I'm so sorry if I'm all over the place in this video, but I think the last thing is I don't stay motivated all the time. No one can, and if I don't feel motivated, I don't work. I take a break, I relax. मैंने इस जुलाई की स्टार्टिंग में भी, if you remember, I took a video off because उस टाइम पे मुझे motivated नहीं feel हो रहा था. तो it's not necessary that every time you're feeling demotivated you have to grind or you have to push yourself. Sometimes you have to take a break, and that helps. Please show me your pictures if you recreate this look. I think it's a very nice, like a little bit of glam, थोड़ा सा like sexy सा look है. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. I like recreating this almost every day, as you've seen in my past videos. And yes, that's it. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you want more videos like that, tell me in the comments, and like करना, share करना, comment करना, and I'll go now. Bye guys. Also, I'm so sad that I've put on this beautiful makeup and I have nowhere to go. I have to just sit in front of my table, my laptop, and work now. So this is all going to a waste. Bye guys.